Fun with sounds. Look and listen. Letter A. Sound a ant, a apple, a axe, a ankle. Letter B. Sound b bat, b box, b bike, b bus. Letter C. Sound k cup, k car, k cat, k cow. Letter P. Sound p pigeon, p parrot, p puppy, p pain. Letter T. Sound t teddy, t top, t table, t tiger. Now we read the words. Letter A. Sound ant, apple, X, ankle. Letter B. Sound bus, bat, box, bike. Letter C. Sound car, cup, cow, cat. Letter P. Sound pain, pigeon, parrot, puppy. Letter T. Sound teddy, top, table, tiger.